Okay, so I just stumbled upon this game-changing tool called unregistry that totally simplifies how we push Docker images,
No way. What's so special about it? I mean, isn't pushing images pretty straightforward already?
right? But normally you have to deal with Docker Hub or a self-hosted registry, which can be a real hassle.
Ah, the whole setup and subscription pain. That's always a roadblock for developers.
Exactly. With unregistry, you can just push images directly over SSH without any of that fuss.
Wait, seriously? So no more dealing with public repos or paying for private ones?
Exactly. You just run a simple command like docker pushesh myapp latest user at server and boom.
That sounds incredibly efficient. How does it handle the layers, though? Does it transfer everything?
Oh, that's the best part. It only transfers the missing layers, making it super fast.
Wow, it's like the rsync for Docker images. That's a huge time saver.
Right? And imagine not having to worry about whether the server's image is up to date.
Totally. That also removes so many potential pitfalls during deployment. What's going on behind the scenes?
So it establishes an SSH tunnel, starts a temporary unregistry container, and forwards a localhost port.
That's wild. So it essentially makes the Docker environment feel like it's all local?
Exactly. And then once it's done transferring, it just cleans everything up. Super neat.
I love that. It sounds so user-friendly. But what if you want to use custom SSH options?
Oh, you can totally do that. There's a standard config file for SSH settings you can use.
Nice. This is making me rethink how I deploy applications. What about isolated networks?
Great question. Unregistry shines there too. You can distribute images in air-gapped environments easily.
So no internet exposure required? That's huge for security.
Absolutely. Plus, there's even a standalone version if you want a local registry without complexity.
I mean, it sounds like a perfect solution for lightweight deployments. What are some use cases?
Well, you can deploy directly to production servers, build locally, or streamline CI/CD pipelines.
Time saving on deployments is key. I can already envision using it in my workflow.
Right? And it's as easy as adding the docker push command in the pipeline.
I can't believe how practical this is. What about installing it? Is it complicated?
Not at all. For macOS or Linux, it's just a homebrew command away. Easy peasy.
This feels like one of those tools that can really change the game.
I know, right? Just imagine how much smoother deployments could be.
And I love the idea of less maintenance hassle. It really caters to developers' needs.
Totally, it's all about efficiency. Plus, it's built with a focus on minimizing overhead.
I love how user-centered this tool seems to be. What was the inspiration behind it?
It was actually created for uncloud, aiming to simplify multi-host deployments.
That's so cool. It's nice to see developers solving their own pain points.
Exactly. Plus, the community involvement around it is really encouraging.
So how can we contribute or stay updated? I want to dive deeper.
There's a Discord community for discussions, feature ideas, and feedback.
Oh, that's a fantastic way to engage. I get the sense this tool will evolve quickly.
Absolutely. And who wouldn't want to be part of such an exciting development?
Exactly. I feel inspired to try this out and see how it fits into my workflow.
You definitely should. It might just transform how you deploy images.
For sure. And it's all while keeping things simple and effective. That's what we need.
So, do you think unregistry could become the go-to option for Docker deployments?
With its efficiency and ease of use, I wouldn't be surprised at all.
Me neither. This whole concept is blowing my mind and encouraging so much exploration.
Agreed. Let's keep an eye on its development. Exciting times ahead.